goodness. Oh my goodness. What just happened? I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't see you behind me.
That's okay. These things happen. Are you okay?
I think so. I am okay. Just a little shocked.
If your car is okay to drive, we should probably get off the road and exchange information. Can we meet over there?
Yeah, sure. I think so. My car is okay to drive there. See ya there.
I have a collision checklist here in my car, just in case of something like this.
Oh, what's that?
It's a checklist of information that we need to exchange, such as driver information, vehicle, and insurance.
Oh, I think so. I have all these documents here.
Yeah.
The information you will exchange with the other driver in a car accident include driver's license information, including name and contact information, car registration certificate, car insurance company and policy number, license plate number. Where possible, take photos of the documents and damages to the vehicles and collect information from witnesses.
Well, I think that's all the information that we need.
Oh, thank you so much. I have never been in the car accident before, and then I don't really know what to do. What's the next step?
You should go to the police station right away. They can have you fill out a collision report, and they'll ask for the information that we've just exchanged, and they'll be able to help you with the form.
Okay, thank you so much. I am going to the police station right now.
Okay, have a good day. I'm glad no one got hurt.
Thank you. Hello, officer.
Hi, how can I help you?
I just got into a car accident and someone told me I have to come to the police station and then file the police report.
That is correct. When the damage is more than $2,000, you need to come to the police station, provide a statement, and fill out a police collision form. Do you have your information, license, registration, and insurance?
I have all these documents here.
Were you able to exchange your information with the other party?
Yeah, just right here.
Oh, perfect. So what I'll do is I'll give you a Alberta Collision Report Witness Statement. You fill out all the information, basically what happened, how it happened, and where it happened, and who was involved. Okay? In the meantime, I'll go and start with the form. Okay?
Sure.
Take your time. Here. So these are your documents, your license, registration, insurance that you gave me. So this is the Alberta Collision Report form. It has all the information that you gave me, your information like license, registration, insurance, and the other party's license, registration, insurance. When you go home, call the insurance company and tell them this is your case number, the number that starts with CA, and tell them that you were involved in a collision, and they will start a claim form for you. And this is called a damage sticker. Don't lose it. The mechanic will not be able to fix your vehicle without it. When you go outside to your vehicle, just stick it on the inside of the windshield, the front windshield, bottom right corner. And yeah, they'll be able to fix your car.
Thank you so much, officer, and definitely I'll call my insurance company and let them know.
Okay, have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
The province of Alberta uses private insurance companies to deal with car accidents. You are required to report any accident you are involved in, no matter who is at fault. To file a report, call your insurance customer service line. Your insurance company may do the following: request the police report case number, request a statement from you and ask to see the damages, review the type of insurance coverage you have, advise you on next steps to get your vehicle repaired.
Road safety is everybody's responsibility. Let's talk some ways to help you avoid collisions on the road. Avoid distractions like cell phones and other handheld devices. If weather conditions are poor, drive slow and give yourself more time and space to stop. And lastly, please don't drink and drive. Understanding your responsibilities on the road makes a safer journey for everyone.